We want your wedding to be the best of the best. Come to the OKBride Bridal Show to meet all of the amazing Oklahoma wedding professionals. Come visit us at the OKBride Bridal Show, where you can find your venues, your tuxes, your wedding cake designers. We have something for everybody, from the flower girl to the father of the groom, the mother of the bride. You can get all of your wedding shop done in one day here at the OKBride Bridal Show. Struggling to find the newest and hottest designs, from wedding gowns, mother of the bride, bridesmaids dresses, or even tuxedos for your groom? We have all of that here at the OKBride Bridal Show. Come celebrate love with us at the OKBride Bridal Show.